to my channel. I thought I would do some stuff outside today since I am going swimming. I am still rocking my red hair, and I got some things from Sephora and from Ulta. So if you want to see what I picked up for my watching, and it's hella hot, so this is gonna be quick. You subscribe to my channel, so just click the button below so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, so let's see what I got from Sephora. Don't you just love these little bags that they come in? I always keep my bags because I can use them to give away items to friends and relatives. I saw these little, well, I'll just go ahead and show you this. I saw these little highlighters from Milani's when I was in the drugstore, so I went ahead and picked those up. I have one in, what is this, 01, and this one is 02. They are Strobe Brights, and I don't know the color, but I'll put them in the description box below. I thought they were pretty cute. One is more of a goldish tone, and the other one is more so a rose. So I hope you can see that. If not, I'll put swatches and everything at the end of the video. And I also got the Too Faced. I think this was a they give you away little sample strips or something like that, and they come in, if I can get it the hell out the pack. Okay, so here you go, and let's see what this looks like. I'm not going to open all these up, but yeah, that's cute. Not really my color, but yeah, you could possibly use this for a little eye look. So I probably would toss that in when I go on vacation because it's small, it's easy. And I went ahead and got the Fenty, what is this? Sunstark. I think this is the bronzer. And I got this dark because I wanted to just see how it was going to look on my skin tone. So I got this in Mocha Miami. And it's just, I just love her packaging. I mean, who doesn't? And that's hella dark too. So, oh yeah. I don't know, it may fit my nice little bronze suntan perfectly. So I got that, and I will be taking this on vacation because I get super dark in the summertime, and then I lighten up come winter. And then I got Sephora's powder, and I should have took the wrappers off of all this stuff, but I will show you everything at the end of the video. And I got this one. Man, they put this wrapping on here like there's nobody's business. You know, old people don't have time to be taking all this wrapper shit off. You know, make it good. We can get it off in about 5 minutes, because otherwise we start looking for scissors, knives, anything. This is a face powder. So I like this. This is more in my shade. You get the little brush. I never use that. But yeah, so I got that. And I went ahead and got my color again in Fenty. So that's no news. I ran out, and I got this in a 420. And you gotta have your brow pencil. I love these brow pencils. I use them all the time. Between this one and who is it? Anastasia's brow gel. Those are the two that I love using the most. This is the quick one that I use. Only thing about this, it runs out so quickly, and I got this in a 4 is what I usually use. I saw that they had a 4.5, but I didn't want to take a chance, so I just stuck with my 4. So I like to use that when I go on vacation as well. And then I wanted to go ahead and try this from Milk. It is their Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I've been seeing it online, so I wanted to give it a try. As I said, I was going on vacation, and I heard the review said that this is good, it's sticky, but it helps your makeup stay on. So I am going to try this out as well. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of feels like jelly, you know, like almost a moisturizer. Well, you're not going to need a whole lot, that's for sure, when you get to putting it on your face. But yeah, it makes it feel kind of cool when you're rubbing it in. And it is, I don't know if you can see that, but it is sticky. So yeah, so I got that. And I got my Kat Von D locket. I absolutely love this. It's my #1 go-to, especially if I am trying to let my makeup last in this hot ass Arizona weather. Yeah, I love this. Love it. It should come in like big, huge bottles. So I got that, and then I went ahead and got the highlighter. So I'm going to try that. You know, I don't do a lot of highlighting, but I'm going to go ahead and try this. The girl told me at the store it should match my makeup, so I'm going to try it. Wow, I can tell you right now, it's nice and thick. So that's what I got from Sephora. And Ulta, I went ahead and picked up my Urban Decay all-nighter. I got a different one. I got the scented kind, the summer, what's the solstice, because I wanted to see. I was looking for a different one, but I saw that they had this one, so I thought I'd go ahead and give it a try. Versions of these, which are great for vacation, so I got that. And of course, you know, I had to pick up some more Morphe palettes, so I went ahead and picked this one up. It's the 35V, and I picked this one up, like I said, because I'm going on vacation. And this one has some stunning colors that I love to wear. My blues, my neutrals, my purples, and my mauves. All of my favorites that are probably in my other palette, but yeah, these were cute too. Again, I wish they would put the colors underneath the names underneath the colors, but whatever, it's not a big deal. But I went ahead and got, and I saw the Jaclyn Hill palette, but I didn't need to get her big palette. It was like no thing for me, so I just picked up the smaller version of her palette in the colors that I thought would go nice and tropical, which was this one. It's the Armed and Gorgeous palette. And I love how this one does have the names of the colors right underneath. And yeah, these are just, wow, that's just honestly some gorgeous payback, color payback. And yeah, the browns and the golds, yeah, I really love this color, these colors. So I'm gonna test these out. I love the greens, the browns, yeah. So I'm gonna definitely use this palette in something. So yeah, if you watched my last tutorial, you could see all my summer dresses and all the colors. So, you know, all those colors sort of geared towards this. And then I got some little miniature bronzers from Morphe. I just want to try out some different bronzers. My skin changes colors so many darn times during the summertime. I just wanted to check out some different bronzers, and I thought this was just so pretty. So I'm checking this one out. It's not that dark. It might not work for me now, but definitely during the summertime, wintertime, this will be my color. Let's see. This is an luminizer high impact. So I went ahead and got this one. This is also from Morphe. So I picked this one up. I wasn't too sure about it, but yeah. So that's that. And this one is called High Impact Extra. So, and that's what that looks like. So I'm going to try out this highlighter. Let's see. I also got this Tarte double duty. And this also is a and the girl said this was my color too, so I thought I would use this as my highlighter to see how. This one is a little bit lighter than the one from Fenty, so it's a little bit more watery, but see, that's a big difference in color. So of course, my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I got two of these. They are super cheap. You can pick these up from anywhere. You don't have to get them from Sephora. You can get them from a drugstore. You can get these from anywhere. They are, yeah, super cheap. So I picked up a couple of those. And while I was in there, they were having a sale on brushes. So I went ahead and picked me up some additional brushes, contouring brushes, crease brushes. I picked up a few blending brushes because, girl, you gotta blend. So I picked those up. So I got around 6 brushes. I'll put the cost and the brushes that I picked up, I'll put those in the description box. And that is all that I got on my little mini haul for makeup. So make sure that you protect your skin. Drink plenty of water to hydrate, especially if you're in super ass hot cities like mine's. Arizona, it's about 112 today. So stay hydrated, stay blessed, and as always, kisses, and thank you for watching. See you later.